Hey guys, welcome back to Kitchen Advisor channel. As always, we share with you the best recipes for busy families. Today we're making crispy honey sriracha chicken wings. The full recipe, all ingredients and exact measurements can be found in the link below. Rinse the chicken wings and dry them with paper towels. Place the chicken wings in a large bowl. Whisk together salt, black pepper, chili pepper, paprika and baking powder in a small bowl. Sprinkle the baking powder mixture over the wings and mix to coat. Preheat oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Line a baking sheet with aluminum foil and place an oven-proof wire rack over the foil. Place the wings into the rack of the prepared baking sheet. Make sure that all the wings are within foil coverage, otherwise your wings might stick to the rack. Raising up the rack will create a heat convection underneath. That will make the chicken wings perfectly crispy. Bake in the preheated oven for 20 minutes. Turn the wings and continue baking for another 20 minutes. Turn the wings again and bake until wings are browned and crispy, about 10 or 15 minutes more. It's best to monitor them to make sure that the wings are not overcooked, too dry or too brown. Whisk the honey, sriracha sauce, rice vinegar and sesame oil together in a bowl until the glaze is even. Transfer the wings to a large bowl, drizzle the glaze over the wings and toss to coat. Place the wings into a serving platter and sprinkle sesame seeds over the top. Before the first bite, let me say big thank you to all our subscribers. If you are not a subscriber yet, consider subscribing so you won't miss any of our easy and yummy recipes for busy families. Also check our website for more delicious and healthy recipes.